What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a Christmas decor holiday haul. I have a bunch of different stuff this year. Last year for Christmas, we decorated like the week before or just a few days before just because we had just moved into the house. So I decided to stock up a little bit more on a few things and really make it a little bit more festive this year. So if you're curious about how I decorated my house last year, I will link my video right up here on how I decorated. The majority of stuff is from Amazon. I also have an Amazon haul for this year. I'll link that down below. Just all the Christmas things. So I'm gonna take you shopping with me and then I'm gonna do a roundup and show you what I got. So let's go. I'm gonna go and run to, oh, Merry Christmas! I forgot something. I just ran and got a gift that I got from my friend Bianca that I'm meeting up with, but I'm gonna go run to Starbucks really quick. I'll show you what I get. It's keto, low carb, low sugar, all that jazz. And then we'll go shopping. Hi, can I get a grande iced Americano with heavy whipping cream and sugar-free vanilla syrup? I got a grande iced Americano with heavy whipping cream, sugar-free vanilla syrup. You can get it with any of their sugar-free syrups, but I think the only other one that my Starbucks has is the cinnamon dolce, and I'm just not a fan. They have a hazelnut one somewhere. I would love to try that. This is my favorite aisle. This is cute too, this little tree. So these are the cutest freaking things. I didn't even check how much they were.
Well, they're all 50% off.
That is true. I like that tree too, the one that's a little bit more whimsical. I like the polar bears too, I didn't even see those.
Oh my goodness.
What'd you find?
A pretzel fall scarf or winter scarf.
What are your thoughts on this glittery reindeer?
I love it.
Do you love it? I love it. I'm not a huge fan of glitter.
But it's Christmas, it's snow. It just looks so good with that color scheme of like that with like all the white.
It's like a
together.
dusty version of everything. Yeah. I'll get it because I can always return it. You better. Like, look at all these cute trees. I think I'm gonna get that reindeer. I just wish the reindeer was a moose. Pine cones. Okay, good thing I can smell. I don't like the smell. It does not smell like fresh balsam. That's a lean, mean peen. Cologne, not balsam. I don't like it. Okay, these are cute. That is really cute. I like that. I like the church. I like that. That's cute. Whoa, those are big ornaments. Big bowl. Oh, those are very cute. Love these. Super cute. This whole aisle is super, super cute. I like these too, but they might be a little too glam. This reindeer's like sleigh. Slay bitch. Slay bitch. So I'm gonna show you everything I picked up. One of the first places I went to was Bath & Body Works just because they got all the holiday candles and they actually have one last year that they didn't have this year and I was so disappointed. It was the balsam fireside or something. That smells amazing. That is my favorite holiday scent just because it's not too Christmassy. You could pretty much burn that like just around like a colder season. I feel like it smells great. First one I got was Fresh Balsam. This is one of my favorite go-to candles. This just smells like a Christmas tree. We plan on getting another real tree this year, so it will smell good and like a tree. But if you get a fake tree, this is a great candle to get because it'll give that fresh tree smell in your house and it'll make it smell even more like you've got a real tree in your house. So then I also got Tree Farm, which I think is new this year. This smells like a like a fresh cut tree. It's hard to explain how they're different. This is, I guess, just a little bit more subtle. I feel like I'm probably gonna end up liking this more just because I like the more subtle scents, just because then you can have the candle on for longer. It doesn't give you like a headache, doesn't make you feel weird. Then I got Fireside. This is one of my favorite candles. I actually already have one from last year. This is great because even after the holiday season, when you're kind of like over everything, you don't wanna smell like Christmas scents throughout your house, this is still really good because it just smells like you're burning a fire. And then lastly, I got Holiday, which I've already been burning this one. Just like cinnamon sticks. It's very, very Christmassy. Okay, moving on to Target, I got this candle. This is the cypress and pine candle. I really liked the size and like the packaging on this one. It was really good. They all just smell really Christmassy and like trees and all that kind of stuff. So this I thought would be really cute in our living room. I got these two trees. So this one is from the Magnolia collection, and it has this like concrete cement looking base, which I thought would look so good in our house. In particular, our downstairs half bathroom. We still need to get our sink. We haven't ordered it yet, so I'm hoping that we can order that like this week so that I can come in and I can put this in there because this would look really good in there. And I got this one actually in that like dollar section, but it was $5. But look how cute this one is. It has the like burlap bottom and then the flocked tree. This I thought would be really cute, even in here possibly. Right there, that could be cute, I don't know. But yeah, I just thought this one was really cute and very inexpensive too. Target has a lot of really cute stuff. The hard part for me is I still like pretty minimal decor. So I have a lot of stuff from last year that's in the attic. So I don't want to go like overkill and over decorate. I just don't like that for my home. Last thing I got from Target was this doormat. Let me see if I can even show you this. It just says Merry Christmas. Isn't that so cute? They also had one that I really liked. It was this material, and then in black it said Home for the Holidays. But I just like this, that this just said like a classic Merry Christmas with the red. I normally don't like color, but I just think it's just so cute. I'm gonna save Crate and Barrel for last just because I got a lot of stuff from there. So next I'm gonna show you what I got from Hobby Lobby. So they had so many cute things. So many cute things, and so many things that were just like so many different themes. This I thought was super cute. This is from Hobby Lobby, and it's just this little tree. It's like a wood looking tree with a little bit of this like white glitter. Let me see if I can show you up close. Thumbs up this video if you guys want to see a holiday home decor video on like just like a house tour and like a decorate with me and stuff, because that way you can see like where I put all this stuff, how I style everything. Let me know if you want to see that. And this is kind of like a similar vibe as that tree. This is this little reindeer. I'm a little unsure about this actually, just because it is so sparkly and I don't like a ton of sparkly decor, but I do think this is really, really cute. And I think styled near this tree would be really cute. I don't know. I just thought this was nice and glammy, but still kind of like cottagey feeling and modern, and yeah, we'll see. Once I get everything kind of like put together, I can see if it's gonna stay or if I'll end up returning it, but I just thought that was really cute. And then this is one of my favorite things that I found. I've seen these little houses everywhere, and I see them in like different colors, but also like mainly white, but they had them in this like concrete cement. So cute. So I got this big one, this skinny tall one, and then this little short one. So I don't know if I need all three, but I wanted to get all of the different sizes so that when I'm decorating and putting stuff together, I have what I need in case I need that size. And then I also ordered some small little battery operated tea lights from Amazon so I can put that inside so they look lit up and it's like a little modern village. I'm really excited about it. And then the last thing I got from Hobby Lobby was this hand towel for the kitchen, either the kitchen or one of the bathrooms. It has a Christmas prayer on it, and I just liked how minimal it was, and I just love everything that it said. I thought it was so perfect for this year that we've had. So I think I will put this in the bathroom, I think, because I got some other hand towels that I'll show you. But yeah, I just really like this. It was a nice pop of color, but done in a minimal way, which I really like. Next, I went to At Home. At Home had like a lot of different stuff, but just nothing that was really catching my eye for my house specifically. And I think I went to Hobby Lobby first. So they had the hookup. So I just got these ornaments from At Home. I got 2 packs of these. Again, I'm not really sure if I'm gonna end up needing these because I got a few other ornaments and I have a ton from last year. So we'll see. I got them just in case because I thought they were really cute. It might be pretty with like a light behind it. And then I went to this store when I was at the mall. It's called Altered State. I don't know if this is everywhere, but I did check online and you can find this online. But I've been on the hunt for a nativity scene that is modern, minimal, but not too contemporary. Like, I know that's so specific, but I got one last year. I found that one from Home Goods, I think, and it's just not, it doesn't give me the feels, you know what I mean? And when I saw this one, it just gave me the feels. So, and I feel like it just kind of goes with everything, and I love it. It's so special. So this is the nativity scene that I got. It is like this sleek wooden vibe, and the crowns here have like a little bit of like gold foil on them. I just really love this. I think this would actually look really good just on a windowsill or on our like entry table that we have. I really, really loved this. And it was literally exactly what I was looking for. And then next, I got this, which if you are my mom or my mother-in-law, do not watch this next part because this is a gift, but I also got one for myself. So I got this mug. I also got this from Altered State, and it just has the cross, baby Jesus, and then here it says true story. And I just thought that was really cute, really special. I need to see if I can microwave this. Finally, we can move on to Crate and Barrel. I got so much stuff from Crate and Barrel. I found this mug, and I actually got one for my friend because she just got a new job. And both she and I both love mugs. We're mug collectors. So I got her this, and then I got one for myself. It's just this really cute green mug with a tree here, and you can use this to stir, which is so cute. So perfect. So this is something that I actually think that you could use all year round just because it also kind of just looks foresty, not necessarily only for like Christmas. But yeah, I just thought this was really cute. I loved that whole idea with the little stirrer there. It's just cute and perfect. Then I got 5 of these ornaments, which they might be a little bit too glam for my tree, but we'll see. They look like this. It's just kind of like this duochrome sparkle and then some rhinestones, and then the glass itself is totally clear. So I got 5 of these. Just, I mean, your special ornaments, I don't know about you guys, but I do this. Special ornaments only go on the front and not on the back. So I only got 5. This is my favorite. I got 5 of these as well. Aren't they so cute? They're little reindeer. Kind of add in the rustic theme. So we'll see kind of what this looks like with the more glammy ornaments. We'll see what happens, but I just thought this was really cute. So I did get 5 of these. I got another set of hand towels. These are what they look like. Again, just very neutral with the pop of the green. I love the shade of green just because to me it is still neutral. And then with the tree in the house, I just feel like it all kind of goes together. I'm just now looking at like my candles and stuff. Everything is just like this dark green color. So I forgot what website I ordered it on, but I got some like matte dark hunter green wrapping paper for the presents under the tree, which I think would be a nice pop of color that's still somewhat neutral. But I thought these would look really good in the kitchen. And then there's also the Christmas prayer one that could go in the kitchen with these or in the bathroom or whatever. But yeah, I just thought these were really nice. I was not planning on getting this. A lot of the stuff that I picked up from Crate and Barrel, I kind of like pre-picked it out online or placed an order online. I'm for the most part pretty thoughtful with decorating. I don't like to buy stuff on a whim. And if I do, like I did here, I will keep the receipt just in case, and mainly because I'm super picky and I don't like a lot of stuff. So this I was actually pretty surprised that I bought when I was in the store just because I didn't pre-plan it. But it's just this really cute kind of like whimsical tree. It's a little bit bigger than the ones I got from Target, and it has this vase here. It looks really real. Like the dirt in here looks legit. So I thought this could go somewhere cute. We'll find out a spot for him, but just a very whimsical little tree. Okay, this is very random, but I'm gonna share it anyways. I feel like it's holiday related with Thanksgiving coming up and then Christmas, and there's cooking and all that stuff. I got this dish from Crate and Barrel because it's just so cute. So I got the matching bowl maybe 2 months ago, and I love that bowl. I love putting stuff in that bowl, and I wanted this ever since I got that, but I was like, do I really need it? Do I really need it? And then I thought, This would be so great for Thanksgiving to put a casserole in. I mean, I already have a dish that's exactly this size that I use to cook like chicken and stuff, but now I've got another, and this one's just way cuter. I love the handles. Look at the handles. Look how cute that is. I just thought this was the cutest thing. Placed an order on Crate and Barrel's website, and I ordered some garland, and I really wanted some like flexible looking garland. I'll post my inspiration into the video here that I got from Pinterest, but I just wanted some like flexible, modern looking garland to go across the media cabinet that we have under the TV, and then also on the railing. So I think I ordered 3 pieces of the garland. I also got these pre-lit trees for outside. I'll post a picture in here so you can see what they look like. I just wanted some really simple, modern looking trees for outdoor. I don't know if we're gonna end up putting lights or garland anywhere outside just because it's a lot of work, you guys. I do think that would look really pretty on the house, but if it doesn't end up happening, then I will at least have the 2 pre-lit trees at the entrance of the door, and I think that would look really cute and inviting. I didn't buy a wreath this year, even though there's one from Target that had bells on it, and I thought that was really cute. I'll link it down below because I think it's awesome. I just really like getting a real wreath. One I got last year from Home Depot was so cute. It was a real wreath with little white dusted pine cones, so it just looked really cute. So I'm hoping to find something just like that this year. But yeah, that's everything I picked up for my Christmas decor. I might get a few new things up until when I decorate. So yeah, thumbs up this video if you want to see that. Let me know down below if that's something that you're excited for. And if there's something that you think that I need in particular, let me know. Oh, I totally forgot. I did order some stuff from CB2. I got these like clear and white, very modern looking trees, which I thought would be so pretty somewhere. So we'll see what that ends up looking like. I'll link them down below, but yeah, I'll show you guys what those look like when they come in. Yeah, this just got me really excited. Seeing everything together. It just looks very pretty and festive, and I'm so excited to put it all together and show you. So let me know if you want to see that video. Thumbs it up if you do. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.